We're playing detective today in our bonus little episode. Can you tell the difference between these skirts? It's the same skirt. Ignore the different lengths, but can you see a difference? How about now? Where do you see the difference, apart from the length, in these images of the same skirt? It's my quarter circle skirt that I've been working on. Do you see any differences? Now, it might surprise you to know that this was taken after I did it up and I had wool leggings on. This was when I was hemming and I had bare legs. And so if you were guessing static electricity, you are correct. But this little observation took my design in a completely different direction, and I ended up with a polyester slip skirt, not the wool one. And the realization that fabric combinations matter in terms of generating static electricity. So I came across this handy graphic, and the further away you get from each other, the higher the charge. So what you were seeing in the first photos of our mystery was wool leggings, polyester skirt, bare leggings, or bare skin, polyester skirt, and finally polyester slip skirt and overskirt. So how do I get the warmth without an anti-static spray and no static? You'll remember I have a standalone slip skirt in wool with an elastic waist. Let's play over or under. Is that wool skirt over or under the polyester slip? Answers at the end, but let's look at me first to generate a bit of static, and you can't see the difference because I'm wearing a black top for both these segments. So generate a bit of static, build it up because movement does that. And your question will be, do I have the wool slip under the polyester slip or over the top? So here's your answer. The wool is over the top of the polyester, so it's against the chiffon, polyester chiffon. There's the elastic waistband holding out at high hip, and that's one way I can wear it. Let's play the game again. Is my wool slip over the polyester slip or under the polyester slip? Can you see fullness in the skirt, or can you see building static as I move around? Have your answer in your mind and let's get to the reveal. Hopefully I've built up enough static. There you go. It was a fuller skirt. The polyester slip is over my wool slip. Two ways I can wear this skirt for warmth and reduce static. I can have the wool over in the black, or I can have the wool under in the maroon top. That's your answer to the original question. So here is your handy little reference. You can now play around with static electricity and reduce it in your wardrobe. For example, cotton or silk or wool or polyester tights. It all comes down to combinations of fabrics. Do subscribe and join us next time. Enjoy your comfy life.